Selecting a niche for your SMMA is hard. Not because कि आपके पास options limited होते हैं या knowledge नहीं होती, but actually it's the opposite. There's just so much knowledge about best and highly profitable niches for SMMA that you ought to get confused. So let's put an end to this, as I'll be giving you the logic and the 3-step formula to choose your niche for SMMA so that you can apply this formula to any niche that you are potentially looking to go after. Now basically what that means to you is that instead of telling you 10 different niches and just leaving you on your own, not only that, I'll be giving you the knowledge you should have while choosing your niche, so that you are making the correct decision and making money out of the niche that you have selected. That being said, you need to look at 3 different components while choosing your niche for your SMMA. The first component is feasibility. Now, feasibility is whether that niche has some juice for you to extract in the first place. Now, you can check if that niche is feasible based on 3 different factors. The first factor is that if they are selling a high ticket product or service, क्योंकि आपको कुछ handful of qualified leads लेकर आनी है for them to make profit out of your service and to eventually retain with your agency, so that instead of finding new clients every day, you are sticking with the clients that you already have. The second factor is that if that niche has more than 10,000 businesses in major cities, जिससे आपके पास good number of leads हो reach out करने के लिए. And by the way, you can easily check this out on Just Dial of whether how many businesses are there in a particular niche in your city. The third factor is that if that niche is growing year by year. In other words, is there a demand for the services that those businesses are offering in the market? If your niche passes this test, the second component is awareness. Now by awareness you have to see कि आपकी niche में businesses को advertising या फिर आपकी services के बारे में पहले से पता है या नहीं. Now the problem is that most people start a business and they are like, I have this unique solution that will revolutionize the edtech and the fintech industry. Well, guess what? You have 10,000 rupees in your bank account. So you can't make people aware that your revolutionary solution will help them in the first place. Instead, what you should do is maybe do Facebook ads better than other so-called agencies, because in this case, you don't have to make people aware that Facebook ads will get them leads for their business. They already know that. You just have to do it for them and charge a handsome amount and actually get them high qualified leads for their business. Now the simplest way to check if your niche has awareness is by going on Facebook ads library, searching for the niche, and look if you can find more than 3,000 to 4,000 ads running on there. Now that basically signifies that those businesses are already running ads and you can do the same for them. Now with that, third component is the ease of delivery. Now I've seen people who are like, I want to start e-commerce marketing agency or an info product growth agency, when they spent a huge amount of 1,000 rupees on Facebook ads. Well, there are people like me who have spent more than 25 lakhs on Facebook ads waiting for you to come in that niche. And मैं तो अभी भी e-commerce niche में जाने से hesitant हूँ, because I know that some guy on this planet spends 25 lakhs a day on Facebook ads. So you have to choose a niche where service delivery is simple so that you can learn as you get paid. And you have to deal with as less moving parts as possible, जिससे अगर आपको results नहीं आते हैं clients के लिए, you exactly know what's going wrong and how to actually go ahead and fix that thing for your client. Now that being said, these 3 components are what you have to keep in mind while choosing your niche. But let's actually go ahead and apply these 3 parameters on maybe 15 of the most popular niches to see if you can choose one from those 15 of them. And the first category in here is healthcare businesses like dentists. Now, if we talk about feasibility, there are easily more than 20,000 dentists in big cities. Ticket price is high for dental implants and it's a growing industry year by year. Now, if you search the ads library on Meta, you'll find 20,000 ads for dentists anytime, so awareness is all obviously present. But problem आती है service delivery में, because in most cases you'll have to provide them appointments instead of leads, and that's where more variables are added for you to optimize as an agency owner. Now, same is the case with other medical niches like cataract surgeons, IVF clinics, and so on and so forth. But if you can find or funnel hack something that is working for other people in this niche when it comes to service delivery, these niches have a lot of money to be extracted and a lot of clients to be signed by your company. Now, the next category is that if you want to go for construction related niches like interior design, real estate, and simply construction companies, let's look at the feasibility. All of these businesses have a high ticket size. Now, above 15,000 businesses हैं major cities में, even if I talk about each of these different categories. And certainly it's a growing industry as people are going crazy to buy houses in places like Bangalore and Gurugram. अब businesses में awareness भी है because you can see no less than 10,000 ads for each of these categories that I just mentioned to you. And service delivery is more or less simple, as you can simply get away with providing qualified leads to these businesses and not promising some prepaid appointments for them. So the businesses in these categories become a sure shot good niches for you to go into and sign actual paying clients at your agency. Now, the next category is education, and this includes career consultants, study abroad consultants, coaching institutes, and the list goes on. Now, if we talk about feasibility, it is definitely there because all of them have a high ticket service which they offer to their clients. More than 15,000 businesses in each category, and education is obviously a growing industry, as you can see more and more of edtechs coming along. Now, these businesses are aware about ads because they are already running ads, which you can maybe check on the ads library, as I mentioned. Service delivery is again simple because you only have to get them qualified leads and not appointments and prepaid appointments, and that makes the niches in this category extremely profitable for you to go into and sign some clients at. Now let's move forward to event related businesses, and these are usually event planners, wedding photographers, wedding venues, and the list goes on and on. Now if we talk about feasibility, wedding venues are less feasible as compared to others as they are less in number. But otherwise, this is a growing industry, and you know this because people are spending heavy amounts on every single wedding that you attend nowadays. Plus, they have a high ticket service for them which they offer to their clients. Now, most businesses are aware that they need to generate leads in this niche, and मुझे ये इसलिए पता है क्योंकि मैंने इस niche में खुद थोड़ी सी sales calls की हैं. So, I know for a fact that people in this niche don't know how to run ads properly. But the problem is that you will find more and more number of uneducated people in this niche. Now, the next comes service delivery, which is easy as there aren't many variables and you just have to give them some qualified leads. So overall, this is a good category for you to go after. Now, let's apply the same formula to the most viral niches on the internet. E-commerce and e-learning companies, basically info product companies. Now, most of them lack feasibility क्योंकि product की cost 1000 से 2000 rupees से ज़्यादा नहीं होती. And e-learning companies are selling crappy webinars for as low as 9 rupees. Now, they upsell for sure, but they are rarely profitable as they are already selling crappy courses to their students. Now, good info product businesses who sell at high ticket either have an in-house marketing team or they sell by content marketing, so they don't need you as an advertiser for you to come inside. Now, if we talk about awareness, it's the only one factor which is present क्योंकि e-commerce और e-learning companies का 30 to 40% budget performance marketing के लिए reserved होता है. Now we come to the last part, which is service delivery, which is super hard because as an SMMA, you have to handle their ads manager, you have to manage their ad creatives, landing pages, conversion rate optimization, reduce cart abandonment, and what not to be done. Now, simply put, e-commerce and e-learning companies are not for beginners. With that, we have applied our formula to almost 15 niches, and you can go ahead and apply it to as many niches as you want to. Now, I seriously hope that this will be the last video for you with regards to niche selection, because you know what? The harsh reality is that you'll be only considered successful if you close social media, do the actual work that gets you clients for your agency, and make some money from what I have told you.